Namaskar students. In class, we have done the revision of all the tools of TuxPaint. Here, we will do one activity of TuxPaint. What is that activity? We will draw this given picture in TuxPaint. So everyone, open the TuxPaint software to draw this activity with me. I hope everyone has opened the TuxPaint software. So let's begin. In this drawing, you can see that one patch is of sky blue color, another one is white color, and the bottom one is green color. So at first, we will start with sky blue color. So at first, we will take the sky blue background. So to take the sky blue background, in tools, we will click on new. When you will click on new, you will get different color background. From here, you have to choose the sky blue background. We will click on it and then I will click on open. When you will click on open, you can see the background is of blue color. Now I want the green color patch also. So to draw this patch, what I have to do, in tools, I will click on lines. Then I will draw one line here. I'm just drawing the line here. Now I will fill green color here. So to fill the color in the bottom patch, I have to click on magic tool. Here you can see the magic tool is here. When you will click on this magic tool, at the right side you will get so many magic tools. So from here you have to select the fill tool. Fill magic tool. I am not getting the fill magic tool here, so I have to click on this downside arrow. When I will click on this downside arrow, I will get the fill magic tool. So I will click on it, and then after that I have to choose green color from the color palette. So I will click on green color from here. Now I will just click. You can see my green color is here. Now above the green patch, we are having the white color road. So to draw this road, again I will draw a line. But before drawing this line, I have to choose the black color for line. So I will choose the black color. Now I will draw this line. In TuxPaint, if you have done something wrong, that time you have to click on undo. Now my line is ready. Now I want to fill white color here. So again I will click on magic. Here fill tool is already selected. So I have to choose white color. Now I will fill white color. Now after this you can see that black color rectangle boxes are here. So to draw these rectangular boxes, we have to click on shapes. You can see below the stamp we are having the shapes tool. So we will click on it. When you will click on this, that time at the right side you will get different types of shapes. From here you have to select the rectangle one. At the left side you are having the unfilled, and at the right side you can see the filled one. So we have to choose the filled one. After clicking on filled rectangle, we have to choose the color. We have to choose the black color from color palette. Now we can draw. Now I'm just drawing the line here. So how many rectangle boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will draw 5. Now the third one. I'm just drawing the third one. Now the fourth one. Your box's size may be bigger or small. See, I have drawn something wrong here. So to cancel this work, I have to just click on undo. Now again, I will draw the box. Now the last one. Now after this, I have the need of these sign. So to put these sign in the drawing, in the tools, I will click on stamp. Then I have to search the sign here. Here I can search. Where you will get these sign, in that stamp where you are having different houses. So here you can search at the bottom side. This is here. Now decrease the size with the help of size bar. Then choose the another one, school sign. We have the need of school sign here. We will put the school sign, one increase size. I'm just putting it here. And then the last one, it is here. We will decrease the size. Now I will put it here. Now you can see that below these sign we are having one line. So to draw this line, we have to click on lines, and then we can draw the line here. Another line. One more line. Now I want these cars. So again I will click on stamp because I will get these cars in stamp. So here I am having the car. I will click on this car, but you can see here the black color is chosen. So I will click on red color. Now I will put my car here. I will place it here. Now the second one is this one. Here I will choose this color and then I will put my car here. Now I want this lady here, so I will click on it and then I will choose this lady. Traffic police. This lady is traffic police, so I will place it here. Now I am having one helicopter here, so I have to search the helicopter, where it is. I have to search it here in the vehicles. So you can see my helicopter is here, so you can see the size is very big, so I have to decrease the size from the size bar. So now I can put it here. Quickly we have to complete this work. Now the bottom portion is left. Here we want flowers, so I will just choose the flowers. I have to search it that this type of flower is here or not, otherwise we will draw the flower with the help of magic tool. We are not having this type of flower here. We are not having, so we will click on magic tool, and in the magic tool you will get the flower magic tool. We will click on it and here in the color palette we will choose yellow color. Now we have to draw the flowers. How many flowers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we will draw 10 flowers here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the last one is here. Now here you can see more flowers, so here we will click on stamp and here we will choose the flowers. Now we have chosen the flower. Now we will decrease the size. This is the big one, so we will choose very small size of flower. I will put the flower here. You can see. Now my drawing is ready. So by this way you can draw different type of drawings or different type of scene in TuxPaint. You can see here. Now if I want to save my file, that time I have to click on save. My file is saved now. So now click on open to see your file. You can see your file is here. You can open your file. Now to go out or to come out from the TuxPaint, we have to click on quit. So I will just click on quit to close the tux paint. When I will click on quit, that time two options will come. Here we have to choose yes, I am done. So when you will click on yes, I am done, you will be outside the TuxPaint software. So by this way you can do different type of drawing, or you can draw different type of drawing in TuxPaint. So do the practice of TuxPaint and draw different drawings.